India's military has for the first time confirmed that country's fighter jets were shot down by Pakistan during the four-day conflict earlier in the month of May. India's Chief of the Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan acknowledged the loss of the fighter jets during an interview with the Bloomberg TV on the sidelines of the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore. However, he declined to disclose the number of the aircraft downed. Hours after India's Chief of the Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan acknowledged the losses of the Indian aircraft in the recent aerial combat with Pakistan, Congress has asked the Modi government to truthfully tell what the losses were suffered during the four-day conflict with Pakistan. Congress leader Uttam Kumar Reddy in a post on X said, "People want to know whether an Indian aircraft was down during the conflict, especially in the wake of the CDS admission." Despite facing a humiliating defeat at the hands of Pakistan, India's jingoism shows no signs of abating as its army continues aggressive posturing in the region. Indian Army has begun extensive field combats of the advanced indigenous defense technologies at multiple locations across the India. India has finally admitted its jets were downed by Pakistan, but stays silent on the exact number for the face-saving and to avoid the global humiliation. India's Chief of the Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan's vague confession confirmed Pakistan's air dominance during the conflict, but the admission reflects India's struggle to manage the post-conflict embarrassment. Trinamool Congress has said that the BJP-led Indian government is not presenting the facts before the citizens and reiterated the demand for a special session of the parliament following Chief of the Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan's acknowledgement of the aircraft loss in the recent hostilities with Pakistan. The TMC's deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha Sagarika Ghosh shared a clip from the CDS General Chauhan's interview to the Bloomberg TV. Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism martyred 17 Kashmiris, including a woman, during the last month of May. According to the data released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, of those martyred, 8 Kashmiris were killed in the fake encounters and in the custody. Indian troops, police and the paramilitary personnel during 236 cordon and search operations and house raids arrested 474 people, while at least 5 persons were injured due to the use of the brute force on the protesters in the territory in the month.